In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Jotform on a Canva website. Whether you're designing a personal portfolio, an event page, or a business site on Canva, integrating functional forms like Jotform can streamline data collection and enhance user interaction. Let's dive in and walk you through the process. First, let's begin by getting your Jotform embed code or link. Start by heading over to Jotform and open your form in Form Builder. Once you're in, look towards the top of your screen and navigate to the Publish tab. Under the Quick Share section, you'll see the form link, which is essentially the URL you can directly copy. But if you prefer to work with an embed code, you'll need to click on the Embed option and then copy the iframe embed code provided there. Either the link or the code will work for our needs today. Now let's head over to Canva. Once you're there, open the website project you intend to embed the form in. Navigate to the specific page or section of your website where you want the form to appear. This step ensures that you've identified the right spot for seamless integration. Next up, it's time to embed the Jotform. Look to the left side of your Canva interface and you'll see the toolbar. From here, click on Apps. In the search bar that appears, type in Embed. After you find it, click on the Embed option that comes up. In the subsequent Embed box, go ahead and paste the Jotform link, which is essentially the URL you copied earlier. Once pasted, press enter and allow Canva a moment to load your form. Your form should seamlessly show up embedded right there on the page. After embedding, you'll likely need to adjust the placement and size to perfectly fit your design's aesthetic and functional needs. Canva lets you easily resize or drag the embed box to align with your layout. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, make sure to preview your site to confirm that the form displays and operates as expected. It's essential to ensure that everything is working correctly before going live. Finally, you're ready to publish your Canva website. Simply click on the Publish Website button within Canva, and with that, your Jotform is live, fully functional, and directly usable from within your Canva site. This step marks the culmination of embedding your form and enhancing your site's interactivity. And there you have it, a straightforward process to embed a Jotform into your Canva website. With this form in place, you can efficiently gather data and improve the overall user experience on your website. Thanks for following along, and happy designing!